Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy cybersecurity policies with Microsoft. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Navigate to the left-hand menu and select Security from the options available. Next, click on Policies to access the Policy Management section. Select Create Policy to begin setting up your new cybersecurity policy. Choose the type of policy you want to create, such as threat management or data protection. Fill in the required fields for the policy name and description. Specify the conditions that will trigger the policy, such as user activities or specific data types. Set the actions that should be taken when conditions are met, such as alerts or automated responses. Review your selections to ensure everything is accurately configured. Once satisfied, click on Save to finalize the creation of your policy. To deploy the policy, navigate to the Policies dashboard. Find the newly created policy in the list and select it. Click on Assign to apply the policy to the relevant users or groups. Select the users or groups that the policy should affect. Confirm your selections and click Apply to enforce the policy. Monitor the policy's effectiveness by checking the reporting section in the security dashboard. Make any necessary adjustments based on the insights gathered from the reports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.